Now some parts have arrived there today, so I can go ahead and start fitting these. A new condenser, mine was dead. A timing cover gasket, because that's bigger than my gasket paper, I think. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but it wasn't expensive. Crankshaft front seal, when I take off the timing cover, always worth putting in a new seal. Distributor cap new, the one that's there is good enough, but look, for the sake of a few euro. And these leads. Now, the issue with this is the lead going to the coil. The coil that I have is a screw in with the acorn screw. But when you look at these push in type connections, he gave me a few spare, I don't know what you call them, little washers, lads. So I was looking at how he did this. You can see the wire is just coming out. So that's a normal push-in connection with this little lad on the end. So I'm going to take off this. I'm going to bring the wire up through it and copy that. And I can put a snot of solder on the end of it then. He is some form of a, I don't know, what would you call it? But I'm going to put a snot of solder on the end of that. And that then, I'll push the acorn screw connection up on it, and then it'll push against this, and it should work well with the screw connection coil. I've one of them coming from north of Ireland. So that's the latest. Between these and the coil, we should be running fairly well, I'd imagine, as long as the carb is functional, and it does seem to be. So we'll get these fitted anyway and take it from there.